Good day and welcome back to the Weather Centre. We will be focusing on Pretoria, where the presidential inauguration is taking place today, and that is at Loftus Versfeld. We are expecting a lovely afternoon temperature of 24 degrees Celsius with a minimum this morning of only 12, and then there is a very small possibility of a few isolated afternoon thunderstorms, and that is also in and around Gauteng with a light and variable wind. Otherwise, it is a misty morning in parts of Mpumalanga, Gauteng and also Limpopo. That will clear by mid-morning, and then this afternoon those showers and thunderstorms can develop mainly in Limpopo but possibly also in the northern parts of Gauteng. And a much warmer day along the west and the south coast of the country, and that is as a result of bergwind conditions, meaning warm air from the interior is flowing towards the coastline, and as it lowers to sea level it warms up even more, and this will push maximum temperatures into the lower 30s in that region. So this afternoon, dry conditions across the country except for a possibility of a few isolated afternoon thunderstorms in Limpopo and also in the northern parts of Gauteng and northwest. This afternoon, partly cloudy conditions in and around Gauteng with a maximum temperature in Johannesburg of 22 degrees Celsius, 24 in Pretoria with partly cloudy conditions, and a maximum of only 20 in Ermelo. A mild day in the Free State with an afternoon temperature in Bloemfontein of 23 degrees Celsius, 21 in Bethlehem, but lovely conditions in the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal with an afternoon temperature in that area around the mid-20s. And then along the east coast of the country, also pleasant weather today, 25 in Durban, 27 in Richards Bay, with light to moderate winds all along the coastline and a southwesterly swell of 1 meter. Much warmer over the southern interior, and that's as a result of the bergwind conditions, with maximum temperatures peaking around 34 today, and even warmer in Vredendal with 34. Along the south coast of the country, also a warmer day, 22 in Mossel Bay, 23 in Plettenberg Bay, with a light to moderate wind, and this afternoon a southwesterly swell of 2.5 meters. High-level clouds will be moving in over the Northern Cape, and it is going to be pleasant today with 29 in Uppington and Kilvinia, 26 in Carnarvon and 28 in Prieska, but much warmer along the west coast also as a result of the bergwind conditions. 36 expected in Alexander Bay, 30 in Langebaan and 29 in Cape Town with light to moderate winds also along the west coast and a southwesterly swell of 2 meters. And then tomorrow afternoon it is going to be sunny and dry in and around Gauteng. Partly cloudy conditions, however, in the southwest around Cape Town with a possibility of late afternoon rain in the mother city and the surrounding areas, and that's as a result of a cold front.